think the first things that you see change are exactly the ones you referenced, right? When people say, what are signposts to look out for? If I could short an industry, I would short title insurance and I would short escrow agents. Because with smart contracts and blockchain technology, to your point, they're going to become obsolete. And frankly, they're terribly inefficient as it is today. And it's actually, frankly, scary sometimes, some of the things that I see on the transactions that we move forward with. But those are some of the first dominoes that are going to fall. And then hopefully it'll give people more comfort and familiarity with, what some of the solutions could be beyond that. But I think those are going to be the first few things that you see happen.
No, and the core concept around being able to tokenize, again, and tokenizing an asset is not a cryptocurrency per se. You're just essentially taking the ownership and the records, and it makes a lot of sense. I mean, you still need a management company. You still need all the normal things that are happening. So you don't get to just say, hey, we tokenized it and now the building just exists and it's going to operate. You still need a centralized leadership structure. But the core concept of if we could remove a lot of the regulation, imagine, as you're saying, the liquidity that instead of me having to sell the entire building, I can take, tens of thousands of investors that go, you know what, I can put some money in here and I see a good return, instead of going to the REITs, instead of going to some of the other vehicles that exist today, which are kind of heavy.
Yeah, I mean, fractionalized ownership of assets is nothing new, right? I mean, the stock market was created in the 17th century by the Dutch. It was a good idea. It's been adopted everywhere else. I mean, there's no reason that we can't do this. And to your point, I think sponsors and general partners get worried about this type of change and what we're talking about, but they're still going to need somebody to manage the asset. They still need somebody to find the opportunities, negotiate the deals. It's just the nature of the ownership interests and structures will change, but the business, I don't think fundamentally will change. Somebody in Topeka who puts $10,000 into my $10 million property does not want to deal with changing the light bulbs, right? I mean, I'm still going to have a job. So yeah, it's going to come. It's just a matter of who's going to get it first.
Yeah.